Welcome. Today I'm going to take on the persona of the production manager to illustrate NetSuite's work orders and assembly items. During the demonstration, I will cover pre-configured dashboards and reports, item and bill of materials management, automatic replenishment planning, work order planning, and execution. Prior to implementing NetSuite, most companies face a similar set of business challenges. For the production process, businesses want to better manage their bills of materials with multiple revisions and a workflow to approve items. Most companies have a manual reorder process and are unable to get real-time accurate inventory numbers. Using NetSuite's fully integrated real-time inventory and automated replenishment planning, companies become more efficient and effective in managing their warehouse. NetSuite offers multiple costing methods so you can track a true cost of goods and provides real-time dashboards to track production results. NetSuite has developed a set of leading practices based on our work with thousands of customers over the last 20 years. These leading practices are developed out of the box and are delivered on day one. They were built to address many of the common challenges we see in the production process. From flexible approval workflows that scale with your business to the built-in dashboards designed to specifically manage the work order and assembly process, NetSuite will allow you to manage your work orders more efficiently than any other system out there. I am currently logged in with the role of the production manager. My dashboard is tailored to exactly what I need to see to manage my daily tasks in the most efficient way. I have reminders, KPIs, scorecards, and other important links that allow me to manage by exception. Reminders highlight tasks that need my attention and allow me to manage the shop floor by exception. With one click on the reminder, I can see where there is a need to replenish inventory and automatically create the work order. NetSuite's saved searches and dynamic highlighting can quickly alert you to any problems with the shop floor. In this late work order save search, we can see that there are work orders which are either late or potentially will be late. Let's drill into one and see what the issue is. Here we see a component that is on back order. We can create a special order PO from the work order or drill into the item and see what the cause is for the supply issue. On the Item 360 tab, we can see items on order. Here we see a purchase order that was supposed to be received 2 days ago. I can drill into the purchase order and communicate directly from the purchase order to the vendor by sending them an email asking them to expedite that purchase order using our template. That email is now associated with that purchase order. With the Work Orders and Assemblies module in NetSuite, you will be able to efficiently manage every stage of the product lifecycle, as well as within your different lines of business. Let's take a look at the Item Master Record to view all of the features available for managing inventory. Using our global search, we can navigate to an inventory item and look at the detailed setup for that item. Let's look at some key features that will allow us to reduce inventory levels and gain stronger control of inventory operations. We can track inventory at multiple locations. Here we see 3 different locations with quantity on hand, as well as the value and the average cost and the last purchase price at that location. NetSuite can also automate inventory level calculation by location. So we can look at the different build points, stock levels, lead times, safety stocks, work orders, sizing method, fixed lots, periods of supply. NetSuite allows you to achieve full traceability of serialized or lot tracked items through the entire process. On the Inventory Detail tab, we can see the various lots for this item. If we drill into a lot, we can see more details about availability of that lot, as well as search all the transactions associated with that lot. The Item 360 also gives you the ability to manage bill of materials. Here we can see all the components associated to this assembly item, as well as the quantity in each one and the effective and obsolete dates. Now let's take a deeper dive into the bill of materials setup to review the features specifically related to production. Items can be designated special order items, which means that they are only built when there is a sales order for them. This can help to keep inventory levels lower and turns higher. Yield factors can be added at the assembly level or at the component level. This ensures the material component loss is accounted for during the planning and ordering process. NetSuite supports two methods for maintaining bill of materials effectivity dates, which is the beginning point and end time when a component member is to be used in an assembly. Revision control simplifies the management of effective and obsolete dates for the entire bill of material. NetSuite supports a variety of costing methods. The costing method you choose determines how inventory cost calculations are handled for costs associated with manufacturing or buying the same item over different periods of time. NetSuite supports methods such as moving average, standard, LIFO, FIFO, and lot or serial-based average costing. This item is currently set up with average costing. Once inventory levels have been dynamically calculated, NetSuite will continuously, in real time, monitor your inventory positions by location, and if the set thresholds have been exceeded, NetSuite will consolidate all requirements in one screen for replenishment. From the dashboard, on the reminders, the production manager can monitor when they need to react to a low inventory situation. Clicking on the Assemblies to Order reminder immediately navigates you to the replenishment screen. From here, the production manager can see the inventory positions of all items and initiate multiple work orders with one click. From the dashboard, the production manager can now view all planned work orders to determine the appropriate release dates based on demand, material supply, and common item characteristics to ensure shop floor efficiency gain. From the planned work orders list, the production manager can begin to perform more detailed shop floor scheduling. Drilling into a work order, you can immediately see if all of the components are available for the dates in which the production should begin. Let's look at work order 248. Clicking into any of the components will allow you to view the supply details for any raw materials, purchase orders, or subassembly work orders in process. If there is no pending supply, a special purchase order or work order can be initiated directly from the work order and will be pegged to this order, ensuring supply. Once the schedule has been set, the work orders can be released for execution to the shop floor. This process guarantees that the operators are working on the right things at the right time and not receiving work which cannot be completed due to a lack of supply. Change our status to released and save the work order. NetSuite's flexible configuration allows for individual work orders to be completed directly on the shop floor as they are finished, or they can be completed in bulk if the production manager controls the flow of work. Here we will complete the work order as it's built by clicking the Create Build. As a build is created, the component items to be consumed will automatically be calculated based on the effective bill of materials and will be backflushed at completion, ensuring inventory accuracy at all levels. Our silicone item is a lot tracked item, so we can log the lot used against the work order for traceability in the event of a quality or recall situation. Now that you have seen how my company uses NetSuite to efficiently manage our work orders and assemblies, let's discuss what this means for your business. You will gain better visibility into your inventory levels with automated reminders of when to reorder, have better visibility into your production schedule, will also ensure that work order proceeds at an even and efficient pace through your facility, and gain the ability to monitor production variances which could impact your profit margins. And remember, once live on NetSuite's leading practices, there are plenty of advanced features and functionality to take advantage of when the time is right. So as your business grows, NetSuite is there to scale with you.